$41.70. And it looks like we have a courtyard view, so not as nice as the water lake view, but we'll take it. It's not a parking lot view.
Mommy, can I see anything?
What does the TV say?
I don't know. Happy birthday.
Yeah!
Happy birthday to your mommy.
She's already jumping on the bed. How does it feel?
Annie do that.
Yeah? Is it comfortable?
Yes, it's comfortable. Mommy, you're going to sleep on that bed and I'm going to sleep on this bed.
Okay, that sounds like a plan. All right, so we're giving you a room tour here today. So we have a view of the courtyard. Our curtains are just, like
Mommy,
nothing to be, there's nothing special about them. There's no hidden Mickeys or anything. We have the...
I didn't put this poop up.
Yes, we could put our luggage. We'll tell our friends about that in a second. So we have a beautiful print of the three caballeros. Now, one thing I love about staying at Coronado is because it is a business hotel, they give you so much space. Like, look at the size of this counter. It's like encompassing the whole side of the wall here. So great, like a lot of space to spread your things. You can even have more room if you need to work from home, like I was doing today. Okay, so over here we have a Keurig, which is nice because for a moderate, usually you only get these in the deluxe hotels, so that's nice. We have an ice bucket, and there is extra shelving up here. We usually will probably put our case of water up there. We did order some Gatorade also. Over here is a mini fridge. Just be careful of like things that you might put in here. Some, like 99% of the time, when my daughter was a baby, we would put milk and it'd be spoiled by the morning. However, there was one hotel stay we stayed at that actually did remain cool. So I just like to mention in all the videos that if you watch all my room tour videos. Okay, we have 6 drawers. Okay, so this is nice. So if you like this overhead lighting here, if you want to, just excuse my little preschooler jumping in the background. So if you need to do like work while everyone is still sleeping, it's, that's pretty nice. We've got 2 outlets, a USB-C and a USB. And then it is my birthday trip, so we got the little welcome happy birthday
to you, right?
Yes, and we have the Hey Disney, which is like your friend Alexa at home.
Mommy!
Okay, so if you do not feel comfortable with them, you have to be careful sometimes. Like, I've heard other kids in like the Disney group sending like 99 towels to the room and stuff. My daughter doesn't really know how to do that yet, so that's good. But it's actually very convenient for that. We've been able to order extra blankets before.
This is so comfortable.
Mm-hmm. Now, at every Disney hotel, they usually will leave you one of these little guides.
Watch that character. It's fun.
You're right.
Mickey Mouse?
Now, it's just going to give you like all the information with the different things going on. But usually in here somewhere, you will have a thing. I'm not seeing it, of course, right now. Of course, I'm a bad example here. I'm not seeing it right here, but usually they will have a bounce back offer. Now, a bounce back offer usually will... Usually a bounce back offer, what that means is that if you book within 7 days with returning, you only need a $200 deposit, and you can put like a room reservation out. Like usually, I think we've done it in the past 2 years, but sometimes they don't let you book that far out. But in the past, like pre-COVID days, I know we booked it. Usually with this, because we are annual pass holders, I'm usually booking these quite frequently. So usually we still tend to go the same year. But the reason why you want to do it is because you're going to get great rates that not even pass holders sometimes get. You're going to save sometimes like 35-40% off. So let's say you're even at an all-star value resort, you can even get a really nice moderate or deluxe for the same price you probably paid for the value. So that's why you want to take advantage of that. Oh, I didn't see that.
Right here.
I think she ruined it. It's a birthday cake. I think that's just a regular extra towel. Anyway, while we're talking about towels and bedrooms here, both of these beds are lofted, which are nice. I think Disney has migrated all of their rooms to have lofted beds, so this is great. You could slide your luggage right under the bed so it doesn't take up any extra room. That is a safe. Be careful with the safe because We've had bad experiences in the past with getting ourselves locked out of things, so just be mindful of that. But that's an unusual spot. Normally they have them over by the bathroom. All right, and we got some more Three Caballeros prints. One thing I forgot about this resort is just like Port Orleans, it has a ceiling fan, which is amazing. All right, so then over here we have a full-length mirror. Don't mind me, we were just at the pool, and we have bell services coming.
We're going to.
We have bell services coming to our room, so we're doing a quick little room tour. Oops. So, I love the barn doors because the sliding barn doors will...
Knock that guy's in.
This will allow you, if you are an early riser and you're going to early entry,
Yes.
it'll allow you to get ready in the bathroom without waking your kids. But I do love the little Spanish touches.
Yes, these are easy.
Very cute. All right, so over here we have a nice little closet with a steam iron and ironing board. And there's extra shelving down there. You could probably put your shoes. And we have an extra pillow and blanket over here. We do have a luggage caddy, which is nice. Now over here, this is something new that I haven't seen in a while. We have a vanity kit, cotton pads, swabs, and a nail file, and a shower cap. I'm curious if this is new because we have not gotten one of those before. This is just extra space, so plenty of space to put your cosmetic bags, your toothbrushes, everything. There's even more space down here. Now under here, I believe that's just extra storage space. Under the sink.
What?
But yeah, there's a lot of space. Now all of Disney's hotels, so now they're not giving you the little trial samples anymore. They're just giving you these big things, the containers, multi-use over and over again, so they can just keep filling them. So that is what you're getting. We got the vanity mirror. This mirror is actually quite large. It's nice. And over here, we have the toilet and the bathroom. There is another sliding door here, which is nice if you want some privacy. And we have, so over here, we have a nice, now I just realized.
Shower.
This is not even a bath. I wonder, I kind of thought they were going to give us a bathtub, so they gave us a shower here.
No, I don't want to get in the shower.
Okay, so over here you have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Now something I just learned like a couple years ago after many Disney trips is right here is the other end of what you would get a clothesline. If you pull this thing over here, it comes out to a clothesline and you can actually connect it to here and you have some extra drying space. All right, man, I'm looking a little rough after being in the pool, but anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little room tour, see if this is something for your family. To me, I think this is a great, a lot of space. It gives you that deluxe feel.
I went under the bed.
Okay, it gives you that deluxe feel, but at a moderate price, which is nice. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you're subscribed because you're going to want to check out, we're going to do Blizzard Beach in a couple days, and we're going to also hopefully do a vlog comparison, which one my toddler liked, well, she's a preschooler now, which one my preschooler liked better. Alright, give this video a like, it really does help support the channel, and we'll see you in the next one, or at Disney.
Bye!
Thanks for watching, follow your joy, bye.